Today I'm installing a water faucet outside, right here in my home. Right here where I'm pointing. Let me see the video there. There we go. And I am using a Hiltex. There it is. Hiltex. It's a hammer drill. Works real nice. It's an electric cord. I got it on Amazon for 72 bucks. Always trying to get a value. This is considered 1.5 inches. Pretty much will do anything around the house. And for $72, it's worth the cost of labor just putting in the faucet here. Here we go. We're going to make a little hole here. Need to make a bigger hole, but I'm going to make a few holes around there and then chip it out so I can get this 3/4 inch pipe right through that little sucker there. All right, so